That is the first aid symbol on the box. Right, Mom?
That's right, Naira. You know about symbols?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing, Naira. So, do you know there are symbols with words and symbols without words?
Symbols with words and symbols without words? What is that, Mom?
Wait. Let me show you some symbols with words and symbols without words. Look at this symbol, Naira. Do you recognize this?
Yes, Mom. This is a stop symbol.
Correct. In this symbol, you can see a word made of letters. So, this is a symbol with a word.
Oh, now I understood, Mom. So, which symbol is without a word?
I shall show you.
Oh, yes. This is a symbol of no heavy vehicles allowed. And there are no words in this. So, this symbol is without words.
Very good, Naira.
Yay!
Naira, let us play a game.
Okay, Mom. Wait, I will call Neil and then we can play the game together. What game is this, Mom?
This game is about different symbols. There are these cards that have symbols with words and symbols without words.
Yes, I know the symbols with words and without words. Me too.
Here, these are your tickets and pens.
What do we have to do with these tickets, Mom?
I will show you one symbol at a time. You have to identify whether it is a symbol with words or without words. You have to search the same symbol in your ticket and say if it is with words or without words. Lastly, mark a circle around it.
Oh, got it, Mom.
Are you both ready to play the game?
Yes! It is an exit symbol, a symbol with words.
Correct.
I have the exit symbol in my ticket. Yay!
Great, Naira.
That is no horn symbol, symbol without words.
Wonderful.
I don't have this symbol in my ticket. Found it!
That's great, Neil. It's okay, Naira. Let me show you all the next symbol.
I know. It is a recycle symbol. Symbol without words.
Amazing.
I cannot find the symbol in my ticket. Where is the symbol? Aha! Got it!
Last one now.
It is a danger symbol. Symbol with words.
Awesome!
Found the symbol.
Very good, Neil and Naira. Now, let us learn some more symbols with a new game. I will say, fire on the mountain, run, run, run. And both of you will run. When I say stop, you will stop running and stand in your place.
Then, what do we have to do, Mom?
Then you'll have to pick up a placard that is around you. Identify the symbol and talk about it.
Yay! This game sounds like fun.
Yes, let's begin. Fire on the mountain, run, run, run. Fire on the mountain, run, run, run. Stop.
I know this symbol. This is a symbol of do not enter. This is a symbol with words. This is a symbol of a washroom for females, males, and handicaps. This is a symbol without words.
Awesome, children. Now we have the last two placards left.